some fun science experiments and things coming up.
What are we
Today
doing?
we're making the Grinch's heart glow.
The Grinch's heart grow. All right, what do we need? Make the Grinch's heart grow.
A balloon,
We need a balloon,
some water, a water bottle that's empty. It can have drops in it though.
a water bottle that's empty.
We
We need a funnel.
need a funnel.
Grab a
Funnel.
What's a funnel? Let me see. What is that?
Funnel.
Okay, one funnel. What else do we need? I think we needed a spoon.
Yeah, we would need it. Boom.
All right. Uh-oh. Good thing there wasn't anything in it. Let's see, what else do we need?
Baking soda right here.
Baking soda,
Vinegar.
vinegar, and a green balloon.
Here, some hearts on it.
With the heart on
A
it.
big upside down heart and one little right side up heart.
All right, so it says pour the vinegar into the empty bottle.
We're pouring the vinegar in the empty bottle.
Empty bottle.
No water.
Okay, and we get the vinegar out.
Can we get the funnel? We hold it. We hold it up. We hold it up. We hold this.
Pour the vinegar. Ooh, it's kind of almost about the whole thing of that, isn't it?
Smells really bad. I hate vinegar.
All right, so we put vinegar in the bottle. Stinky vinegar. All right, what's it say to do next? Attach.
Attach the balloon to the bottom of your funnel.
Okay, attach the balloon to the bottom of the funnel.
Here we
Got
go.
it? All right, that's good. You don't want to break the balloon.
Yep.
All right, so hold it up.
Should look like that.
There you go.
And then I know what comes next.
Fill the balloon. What's it say?
Fill the balloon up
Fill the balloon.
with your baking soda.
You take the balloon up. Without spilling your baking soda, carefully attach your balloon to the top of the water bottle.
Will you do that, JaJa? Go and watch the Grinch's hot glow!
So what's it going to fill with?
Carbon dioxide.
Carbon dioxide. All right. Get it down in there. Maybe I did put too much. Whoa! It's growing. Look, it's growing. There's a little heart, and whoa, look how big that heart is getting. Look at him. You want to hold it? Whoa! Oh!
We're gonna do it again.
Next time we need to make sure we get it all the way down around it.
Do you have baking soda? Baking soda.
All right.
Baking
And
soda.
what's this?
Vinegar.
Vinegar. You got it? All right. We're gonna pour some vinegar in there.
A lot.
It's a lot. We got our balloon on our bottom of our funnel, and we got a little heart and a tiny heart. Grinches.
The Grinch's heart glows at the end of the movie.
There you go. Pretty good? Ooh, pretty cool. All right, now what are we gonna do?
Put it on there.
All right, let's put in this time. We're gonna put it on really good, shouldn't we?
Can we do this over soon?
you. Okay, you ready? You want to do it?
3.
3, 2, 1. Oh my goodness.
Look at the Grinch.
Whoa. Ah, it's all filling up. Where's his heart?
It's on this.
There's his heart. Look how big that heart is.
Look how small.
Whoa.
It's hard to see.
It is. Look
Let
at
me
that.
take
How
it.
cool.
For you guys.
Now he's full of joy. Can you see how big his heart is? It's from there to there. Now it's like your whole size of your hand.
Right around there.
And whoa. It's a pretty big heart.
Yeah, it
And
is.
here that little teeny tiny one is now a decent size.
Why don't we go try to do a volcano? Now we're going to make a volcano 2 different ways. Explode. And we'll have lava with red.
How big's it gonna be?
Really big. We're doing 2. I have my baking soda and vinegar. Put vinegar in
Why is that vinegar red?
because we put food coloring and it's lava.
You made lava. All right, you ready?
I'm just gonna set it in 1.
Jump it in quick. Whoa! Look at that! Woo!
Volcano!
Whoa! Look at that! Woo!
Thanks for joining us. Make sure to like and subscribe.